Wow. Apple is at a $1 trillion market cap, $206 currently a share, 1.01 million or trillion, 1.01 trillion dollars. That's just insane. Usually when things reach these crazy numbers, they either like some new high or whatever, they usually go shooting through it or they retreat rapidly from it. Might be an interesting day to buy like some straddles or something. I'm probably not going to do that though. FCX bought it maybe a week ago, sold off some, bought a buck higher, 16 and a half roughly. Right now we're at about 1538, 1540. Yesterday I was saying I was probably going to get rid of what I have if I get an uptick chance. That hasn't happened. I'm down a little more today, so I bought a little more just now. Actually, I didn't buy the stock this time. I bought some calls because I don't really want to be out a lot if it goes down. Let's see. I bought a $15.50 August 17th call, 43 cents. Bought a few of those, and hopefully that works out okay. Kind of coming back to the other things, that Intel yesterday, that I bought just a little bit of. I actually sold on yesterday's uptick. Just feeling like the bottom I put in there a few days ago. I mean, it's a nice signal, but it's kind of a weak one. And if you go back in the longer range, back toward the beginning of the year, we're sort of in the middle. So I like to buy those when the signal is strong and we're at a low, and we're at sort of a middle. So got rid of that, small profit on that. Let's see, IRM. That guy is still kind of my biggest position right now. Up slightly here today, 23 cents, $35.51. I am holding strong on this. I am hoping we can just keep it there for a while and maybe come up a buck or two more. That would be great. Let's see, what else do we have going? STX Seagate. Just kind of unchanged. So let's see, down 6 cents today, 53.02. Pretty close to where I was buying. So nothing has really changed too much here, but I do see, we still have a couple nice bottoms, rejection bottoms with a little spiky on the candlestick. Kind of a little bit like that Intel on that, in that it's sort of, if you look at the longer term, back to the beginning of the year, it's kind of in the middle. However, I like this one a little bit better because we sort of rejected that low point a couple times. We have a stronger rejection for it back in May. I'm still holding on to this one. I've got, not a huge position, but I still like it. And what else did we have going? Verizon's been kind of useless so far. I think on that one I bought some puts. Yeah, let's see. Stock was $51.85 at the time I bought. So sort of this $52 put. I paid 78 cents. Right now the stock's at $51.63 for Verizon. I'm up a tiny bit of money on that. I think I paid, let's see, what did I pay? 78 cents. It's at 83 cents, so nothing. On that one, looking at this chart, and I'll try to get a couple shots in here for you. I don't love it, really at all. We've got a couple little, we've got that one sort of higher rejection a few days ago, which is what got me looking at it in the first place. And then since then, we've had a couple of sort of failed attempts to go lower. Yeah, so I don't know. I think I'll wait it out a little bit and see, but I'm not loving this right here. The reason I'm still holding it, though, even though we have these sort of little rejections, is that we did have the upside rejection a few days ago, and these are really weak ones, and we're at sort of a high end of the range, which makes them sort of less relevant to me. Coming back to some of those other ones we talked about last week or a couple days ago, maybe. MAC, which is Macerich Company, whatever it's called. That one I was looking for maybe a run lower. Looking at that one right now, We got a couple of little upside rejections, really tiny though. I don't like them very much. I'm not selling that right now. Pfizer, which is PFE. We looked at that. It was just under 40 bucks at the time. It's kind of looking the same. This might go higher or lower. I don't have any opinion about that. And that UDR, kind of the same thing. I might actually be taking a leg higher. So I don't like any of those. I don't really like to buy them, and I don't like to sell them. I don't like them at all at this point. I'm going to keep watching them, but I'm probably not going to talk about them unless something interesting happens. Anything else to talk about here? I think that's it for today, or at least for this morning. Have a good day.